the protest. I am requesting you also maintain the faith.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମୟର ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ଖବର ଚୀନ ସେନା ସହ ଭାରତୀୟ ଯବାନ ମୁହାଁମୁହିଁ ସୀମାରେ ଚୀନ ସେନାକୁ ଘଉଡ଼ାଇଲେ ଭାରତୀୟ ଯବାନ ଏଭଳି ଭିଡିଓ ଏବେ ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡିଆରେ ଭାଇରାଲ ହେବାରେ ଲାଗିଛି। ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଜାଣିବା କ'ଣ ଘଟିଥିଲା ସୀମାରେ ଭାରତୀୟ ଯବାନ ଏବଂ ଚୀନ ଯବାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ। ତେବେ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଦୁନିଆକୁ ଏବଂ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ଟିକୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Because we believe in maintaining the protest. I am requesting you also maintain the faith. Understood?
I understand. Before your senior West commander, okay? West Army commander, from Lhasa, okay? You know. You know, yeah. He said we can get there, no matter. And you can get there, no matter. And in Gongla, your commander said, said our commander, we can get there, no matter.
That I will clarify from my commander. When I go there, I will clarify from you.
Yeah.
At present, on the side, with us is that you shall not cross this side. You shall not cross on this side. I will put your next meeting at Gumla.
Next meeting you will go Gongla, okay?
I do not go, but our commander is there.
Your commander get there. I also get there. Get there Gongla. I meet your commander. I said we can get there.
I will clarify my commander and what clarify in the meeting.
If he said we can get there,
Then there is
you took the.
we have done no issue.
Yeah.
We have no issue. But it has to be clarified first. It will be clarified to you in next meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. But till then, I would request please don't cross.
Yeah. No matter.
Okay. Understood?
Yeah, understand.
Thanks for your cooperation.
No matter. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next meeting I will get there. I ask your commander. We can get there. Okay or no?